Okay, so now let's go ahead and actually practice doing these dilations. So I'm going to first graph triangle ABC with those vertices, and then I'm going to graph its image after a dilation with a scale factor of 2. So this tells me that k is equal to 2. So I know that means for my coordinate rules, that means that xy is going to go to 2x, 2y. So I'm going to go ahead and start with just graphing triangle ABC. So if A is at 2, 1, I have that B is at 4, 1, and C is at 4, negative 1. And now I'm going to go ahead and find my new coordinates for my image. So starting with A, that's at 2, 1. And now since I'm dilating it by a scale factor of 2, that means I'm multiplying the x and y coordinate by 2. So I'm going to have 2 times 2 and 2 times 1. Well, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 1. So that means that A prime is at 4, 1. Oh, 2 times 1 is 2, sorry. 4, 2. Okay, and then B, 4, 1. B prime, I'm going to multiply 4 and 1 by 2, so I'm going to have 2 times 4 and 2 times 1. So that means that B prime is going to be 8, 2. So I'm going to go 8 and then 2. And now my last one, C is at 4, negative 1. So that means for C prime, I'm going to multiply 4, negative 1 by 2. So I'm going to have 2 times 4, 2 times negative 1. Well, 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So 8 and negative 2. And so I see there is my image. And I see this one enlarged the figure. Okay, let's go ahead and do number 2. So this one I'm going to have a quadrilateral, so I'm going to go ahead and graph these first. So I have negative 3, 6, 0, 6, 3, 3, and negative 3, negative 3. And this one says I have a dilation scale factor of 1/3. So k is equal to 1/3. So that means I know this one's going to be reduced since it's smaller than 1. And so for my coordinate rule, xy is going to go to 1/3 times x, 1/3 times y. So starting with k, negative 3, 6. Well, I know I'm going to multiply 1/3 with both the negative 3 and the 6. So I'm going to have 1/3 times negative 3 and 1/3 times 6. Well, 1/3 times negative 3, I get negative 1. 1/3 times 6, I get 2. So k is at negative 1, or k prime is at negative 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. I want you to try to finish the rest of this problem. Okay, so these are the answers that you should have gotten. After multiplying 1/3 with all of those, I got these. If you notice with 1/3, an easier way to think about that is instead of multiplying by 1/3, you're really dividing all these numbers by 3. So like for instance with 3, 3, multiplying by 1/3, that's the same thing as dividing by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Or negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1, and so on. Okay, that's it for this video. You can go ahead and move on to the last one.